Hey there! On a sunny day, Mohan was drawing the water from the well. He notices that as soon as the bucket comes out of the water, it feels heavier and he has to put an extra effort to pull it up. He wondered why such a difference. The next day, he visits the Lido lab and asks his teacher the reason behind this. The teacher took him near the experimental setup and they started performing this experiment. They attached a solid to a spring balance and suspended it. It shows the initial weight of the solid as 10 newtons. Now, the solid was dipped in the water. To Mohan's utter surprise, this time the weight of the block was just 5 newton. Mohan almost felt he was looking at a different solid altogether. How is this possible? Mohan asked his teacher. His teacher smiled and asked, "You experienced the same with the bucket in the well, didn't you?" His teacher said, "Watch this and you shall understand." They took a container filled with the water and immersed the solid in it. The level of water in the container has risen a bit. This is because the solid displaces some water, and the weight of displaced water exerts pressure on the water below. It transfers this pressure throughout the water, and it also transfers this pressure to the immersed solid in an upward direction. Because of this, an upward force acts on the immersed solid. This upward force acting on the immersed solid is called upthrust. Because of this, the net downward force is reduced and it feels the weight of the solid is reduced. As we can see in the spring's reading balance, the weight of the solid has considerably reduced. Now they pulled the solid out and just partially immersed it in the water. Most of the solid is out of the liquid. Check the weight. It has increased now. This is because very little upthrust is now acting on the solid. Mohan experienced something similar when he was drawing the water from the well. When the bucket is inside the water, it experiences an upthrust pushing the bucket upwards. This acted in favor of Mohan. But the moment the bucket was out of the water, there was no upthrust and he felt that the bucket had become heavier. Mohan was extremely satisfied and happy learning about upthrust. I hope you too enjoyed the video. Bye. See you.